Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how many years it takes to study nursing. We'll break down the different educational paths available, from entry-level certifications to advanced degrees, helping you understand the time commitment for each. Whether you're just starting or looking to advance your career, this guide will clarify your options and help you choose the right path for your goals. The Associate Degree in Nursing, or ADN, is a popular and quicker route to becoming a registered nurse. These programs usually take about 2 to 3 years to complete, often offered at community colleges. An ADN focuses on core nursing skills and patient care, preparing you to take the NCLEX-RN exam and begin working in various healthcare settings. It's a great option if you want to enter the workforce relatively quickly. A Bachelor of Science in Nursing, or BSN, is a 4-year undergraduate degree program. This degree provides a more comprehensive education, including leadership, research, and critical thinking skills, which can open up more career opportunities. Many hospitals and healthcare systems now prefer or even require a BSN for registered nurse positions, making it a valuable investment for long-term career growth. For those considering advanced roles, master's degrees like an MSN typically add 2 to 3 years of study beyond a BSN. Doctoral programs such as a DNP or PhD can require 3 to 6 more years, preparing you for specialized practice, leadership, or research. These advanced degrees open doors to roles like nurse practitioner or nurse educator. And hey, while you're planning your future, remember to stay refreshed. Check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.